Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, here are some tips for reading aloud. Now, preparation. How to prepare reading aloud techniques in PTE, because it's always been really tough for the students to read aloud the sentence after being declared over there. So the first point that we have to keep in mind, that is practice beforehand. Read the text several times to familiarize yourself with the content. It's very much important to read text repeatedly. It really enhances your pronunciation and as far as the content fluency as well, because most of the time we read aloud the sentence, but we utter plenty of mistakes while just repronouncing the statement. Tip number 2. Analyze the text, understand the tone, genre, and audience to adjust your reading style. So understand the tone and genre and audience to adjust your reading style. It's always matters a lot, because when you try to get things towards the accuracy, so you need to keep the points in your mind. Right? Tip number 3 is mark important point. This is going to be the very, very valuable tip that underlines, highlight or underline key phrases, names, dates to emphasize during reading. That is a very, very important thing to keep in mind. The next thing that I just want to mention, that is vocal techniques. Vocal techniques is absolutely important, because sometimes it happens that we try to speak quick. And as far as speaking quickly, we can't get coherence, and also the clarity in our voice. That's why we feel a lot of problems. Speak clearly and slowly. Enunciate words and adjust your pace for clarity. Enunciate words. Enunciation is very, very important, because we need to get familiar with the word, and also the clarities do a great deal of work for us. Number 2 is vary tone and pitch. Use inflections to convey emotions, attitude, and emphasis. Point number 3, use pauses effectively. Pause for the dramatic effect to separate ideas and to allow listeners to absorb information. This is much deals a lot, and project your voice. Speaks loudly enough to be heard by your audience. That is, absolutely important. I do often advise to my students that you must record your voice. Voice recording is absolutely great way to enhance your pronunciation skill. Just listen repeatedly to your recording. It will give you the idea and the prospects to move further on, and also avoiding the mistakes that you utter. And voice recording is an absolutely great way to learn these tips and techniques. Okay, I hope you just enjoyed the session. See you then. Bye.